Please subscribe.
New for 2018, the 2018 Maserati Levante gets an updated electric power steering system, and additional active safety features including traffic sign recognition, active blind spot monitoring, and highway assist. Trim levels, interior and exterior options. The 2018 Maserati Levante is a mid-size crossover that comes standard with all-wheel drive. It is the first crossover in Maserati's lineup and is closely related to the Ghibli and Quattroporte sedans. Levante Granlusso. The luxury-oriented Levante Granlusso features touches like a protection plate in a metallic finish, open-pore wood trim, a wood-finished steering wheel, comfort-oriented seats with 12-way adjustability, and 2 interior choices: full Italian leather or the available silk upholstery by luxury clothing maker Ermenegildo Zegna. Levante Grand Sport. On the other side of the spectrum is the Levante Grand Sport, which features front sport seats, piano black interior trim, black roof rails, a sport steering wheel, brushed chrome paddle shifters, and power-adjustable aluminum pedals. Standard features include leather upholstery, 19-inch alloy wheels, an 8.4-inch touchscreen with a rear-view camera, Bluetooth connectivity, and heated front seats. Notable options include alloy wheels up to 21 inches in diameter, a surround view camera system, heated rear seats, a heated steering wheel, 4-zone climate control, a panoramic sunroof, navigation, HID headlights, air suspension, ventilated front seats, and a Bowers & Wilkins premium audio system. Performance and fuel economy. The 2018 Maserati Levante is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 rated at 345 HP and 369 lb-ft of torque in the base Levante Q4 and 424 HP and 428 lb-ft in the Levante SQ4. An 8-speed automatic transmission is the only gearbox available. EPA fuel economy ratings are 14/20 mpg city/highway for the Levante Q4 and 14/19 mpg for the Levante SQ4. Safety. Active safety features are available as part of a package, and it includes highway assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot warning with rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. Utility. When properly equipped, the 2018 Levante can tow 5,900 pounds of payload. Cargo space is slightly behind most midsize luxury crossovers at 19.4 cubic feet, with the split folding rear seats in place, and 57.3 cubic feet with them folded. What we think. In a 2017 first test, we said that the more powerful Levante SQ4 offers strong acceleration, making it quicker than many of its key competitors. The crossover pairs straight line speed with excellent handling and a ride that's comfortable and well controlled. However, its start/stop system is too aggressive and will activate even if you've only stopped for a quick second. The exhaust note in sport mode also became annoying as it opened up the baffles completely even at half throttle. Passenger space for passengers is generous thanks to the Levante's long wheelbase, but it comes at cost of cargo capacity. Interior materials quality, on the other hand, could use improvement because there are trim pieces and buttons that were clearly taken out of the Fiat Chrysler parts bin.